The video shows the procedure of growing blueberry plants from cuttings. I have successfully propagated many blueberry plants in Australia, but the procedure I am showing here can be followed in any country. At the end of the video, top tips are given which will help you in successfully growing your own blueberry plants by taking cuttings from a blueberry bush. This pot shows 3 cuttings with new growth. The cuttings were planted about 5 months ago. Now I am taking these cuttings out to see the roots. Note that the roots are very fine and delicate, so be careful when transplanting. Fill a small pot, having drainage holes filled with washed coarse river sand. River sand is the best rooting media as it does not contain bacteria and microbes and it drains water quickly. Water the sand thoroughly and keep it away for half an hour to drain excess water. Correct cuttings are important for the success. Take cuttings as explained at the end of the video. Remove the lower leaves and upper into half. Apply rooting hormone at the cut side of the cutting to promote roots. Instead, you can use honey water, aspirin powder, cinnamon powder or fresh aloe vera gel. Make a hole in the sand and insert the cutting in it, about 3 inch deep, and press the sand around it. Do not push the cutting inside. You can plant more cuttings in the same pot. Do not water again. Seal the bag in a polythene bag and place the pot in a warm place in shade. Open the bag every 10 days and add a few water drops in the soil. The new growth will emerge in 6 to 10 weeks. Then remove the pot from the bag, but continue it in shade for 2 to 3 months and water it, initially a little bit as yet there are very less roots. Transfer the new plant in a new pot very carefully as the thin roots are very delicate. Wash pruning shears, cutter or scissors with isopropyl alcohol or dilute bleach solution to kill bacteria. Take cuttings in the morning. Take thin 6 to 8 inch long cuttings from new growth, 4 to 6 weeks old. Wrap cuttings in a wet newspaper and enclose them in a sealed bag, while you prepare for other things.